And ain't we got cows? Yeah, y'all couldn't see it because of where we were, but she used that feeder to kick out a little bit of goodies for the cows there. That way, and as soon as they heard it too, as soon as it clanked, they knew. So they'll have that cleaned up pretty quick and following her, expecting some more. Turn off my pickup, no need in having it running. Now she's kind of waiting for a second to give some of the drag time to get here. But you can see the beauty of having a truck with a feeder on it. That makes life a whole lot easier. It makes it more of a game of follow the leader than driving the dogies. And there are a few stragglers back there. Some of them are getting nervous wanting to go back. But I imagine the guys on horseback will be up here in a minute. Push them on through, kind of how that'll work. I may get back up here where I got a little better viewpoint. Pick up I go. Y'all have to forgive this cough. Yeah, they're getting the idea. And then the lead truck is starting to move again. Now up that way, we're looking south right there. About a mile up there is what we call the draw. It's also known as the Blackwater Draw. And for any of you who are like archaeologists, amateur archaeologists, the Blackwater Draw runs up to Clovis, New Mexico, and a little beyond. And if you've ever heard of a Clovis Point, it's right up that draw, about 60 miles from here, where they found the first Clovis Point and how it's got its name. This used to be back probably after the last ice age, when all the glaciers were melting off. There was a river. Excuse me. There was a river that ran through here. Now I'm going to sneeze on you. And we call it the draw because it's the old riverbed where it carved out. A big long trough in the ground. And now we got somebody coming up here that maybe aren't smart enough to figure that we are driving cows. Yeah, that'll be Andy. And Joel. And Addie. And Cody. And away we go. Get down from here. And that's Tuckett. Tuckett doesn't know a whole lot about cows. Tuckett knows about getting fed and petted. And Brian. And Reese. Oh, we got one calf already. Two. All right, now I got to go way down around to the outside and get back in front of them again. So goodbye.